PNC Cash Rewards Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're looking for a credit card that offers straightforward cash back without all the complicated tiers and rotating categories, the PNC Cash Rewards Credit Card might have caught your eye. But in 2025, is it truly worth it? Or should you leave it on the shelf? Today, we're going to break down every detail of this card, step by step, so you can make an informed decision that fits your financial strategy. Let's start with the basics. The PNC Cash Rewards Credit Card is designed to be simple and rewarding. Unlike cards with complex point systems or rotating categories, this card provides consistent cash back across key spending categories. Most people get this wrong, assuming that simple means low value, but when used strategically, the rewards can be surprisingly competitive. First, the reward structure. This card earns a flat 1% cash back on all purchases, plus 3% cashback on a category of your choice, and an additional 2% cashback at PNC's gas stations. The category options include popular areas like dining, groceries, or travel. This means you can tailor the card to match your personal spending habits, maximizing rewards where it matters most. For example, if you spend heavily on dining, selecting that category could significantly increase your cashback over time. Now, let's talk about the 0% introductory APR. The PNC Cash Rewards Card offers 0% APR on purchases for the first 12 months. Most people get excited about this feature but don't realize how powerful it can be when used correctly. Imagine planning a large purchase or consolidating smaller expenses over a year without accruing interest. This gives you flexibility and can help you manage cash flow effectively, especially if you have planned expenses like holiday shopping or home improvements. The card also comes with no annual fee. That's important, because it means you can enjoy rewards without worrying about the card costing you money just to hold it. In the long run, this makes the PNC Cash Rewards Credit Card an attractive option for both new credit users and seasoned cardholders looking for a no-fuss cashback solution. Now, let's look at how cashback works. Rewards are automatically deposited into your PNC checking or savings account once per month. This is a huge convenience factor because you don't have to worry about redeeming points manually or hitting minimum thresholds. Most people underestimate the power of automatic cashback. It's like a small, consistent paycheck for using your card responsibly. But how does it compare to other cashback cards in 2025? Many high-tier cards offer 5% cash back in rotating categories or higher rewards on travel and dining. However, these cards often come with annual fees ranging from $95 to $550. For someone who values simplicity and no annual fee, the PNC Cash Rewards Card holds its ground. The key is to align the bonus category with your primary spending habits. If you consistently spend in the chosen category, your effective cashback rate can rival or exceed many premium cards. Let's examine a practical example. Suppose you spend $1,500 per month, $600 on groceries, $300 on dining, $200 on gas, and $400 on miscellaneous purchases. By selecting dining as your 3% category, you'd earn $9 on dining, $4 on gas, 2% of $200, and $4 on miscellaneous purchases, 1% of $400. Plus $6 on groceries, if chosen as the bonus category in another scenario. Over a year, this adds up to several $100s in cash back, enough to cover holiday gifts, subscription services, or even a weekend getaway. Now, let's talk about fees and interest rates. After the 0% introductory APR period ends, the variable APR ranges from 16.24% to 25.24%, depending on your creditworthiness. This is relatively standard for a cashback card, but it emphasizes the importance of paying your balance in full each month. Most people get this wrong by carrying balances, which can quickly erode any rewards earned. The card is designed to reward responsible use, not finance charges. Another advantage of the PNC Cash Rewards Card is its accessibility. With a minimum credit score requirement that is moderate compared to premium cards, it's accessible to a wider range of consumers. For those building credit or looking to transition from a secured card, this is an excellent option. It combines ease of use, cashback benefits, and manageable APR for someone in the mid-credit range. Now, let's discuss protections and perks. The PNC Cash Rewards Card comes with zero liability protection, purchase security, and extended warranty coverage on eligible purchases. These are standard but valuable features that provide peace of mind. For example, if an item you bought is damaged or stolen within a set period, you could be reimbursed. Similarly, Warranties on electronics and appliances can be extended by up to a year. Most people overlook these benefits, but they can save significant money over time. Customer service is another consideration. PNC is known for responsive support, with both phone and online chat options. This matters if you ever need assistance with disputed charges, lost cards, or payment arrangements. In 2025, customer experience is increasingly important, and PNC generally scores well in user satisfaction. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, the card offers straightforward rewards with a customizable bonus category, 0% introductory APRA on purchases for 12 months, no annual fee, automatic monthly cashback deposits, purchase protections, and zero liability. On the downside, lower flat rate compared to some premium cashback cards, high APRA after the introductory period if balances are carried, bonus category is limited to one, which might restrict maximum rewards for some. The key to maximizing value is simple. Match the bonus category to your highest spending category, pay off the balance monthly, and take full advantage of the 0% introductory APRA for planned purchases. If you do this, the card can be a reliable and lucrative part of your wallet. Who should consider this card? Frequent spenders in a single category who value simplicity, no annual fee, and automatic cashback deposits will find the PNC Cash Rewards card highly valuable. It's also suitable for people who want a straightforward way to earn rewards without tracking points or navigating complex redemption schemes. Who might leave it? High spenders who are comfortable managing multiple cards for maximum rewards, or those seeking premium perks like travel insurance, lounge access, or higher flat rate cashback, might find other cards more advantageous. Similarly, anyone who carries a balance month to month should be cautious, as the APRA can outweigh rewards earned. In conclusion, the PNC Cash Rewards credit card in 2025 offers a compelling combination of simplicity, customization, and rewards for responsible users. It's designed to make cashback effortless, while offering flexibility through the bonus category and introductory APRA. For shoppers who align their spending with the card's strengths, it can deliver consistent value with minimal hassle. If you want a cashback card that doesn't overcomplicate your finances, this card is worth considering. Just remember to pay your balance in full, select the category that fits your lifestyle, and leverage the introductory APRA for larger planned purchases. Thank you for watching this in-depth PNC Cash Rewards credit card review. If you found it helpful, like the video, share it with friends looking for a smart cashback card, and subscribe for more 2025 credit card reviews that break down rewards, fees, and strategies so you can make the most of your money.